Welcome to the start of our year-long adventure. We're Will and Maddie. We left our 9-to-5 jobs for the chance to explore more of the world. We'll be documenting our travels as we go, so feel free to tag along. In this video, we're exploring Singapore. First stop on our travels.
We have arrived in our first destination.
Singapore.
Yeah.
Will and I just had the discussion that obviously we're going to be travelling for a year, so things are going to get expensive pretty quick. And we were tossing up whether to get a train, which is going to be an hour, or catch a taxi, which is going to be 23 minutes, but like double the price. And so just this once, we're going to catch the taxi. Going for a walk around the streets. Nowhere really that we specifically want to go.
Oh, that seems nice.
I guess we'll just keep wandering. Just keep walking around, seeing all the sights and all the buildings.
There was sun and there was rain. Beauty
Always has to stop and read the signs.
and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
I said, oh, Turkish. And I said, oh, we should probably get Singaporean cuisine. And then Will said,
I don't know if there is Singaporean cuisine.
I think Singaporean cuisine is lots of different cuisines. Correct us if we're wrong, please. Alright. So what I think I got some rice, I got an egg, I got some beans, and some cabbage. And that's my breakfast. But it's got chili all over it. This is going to be spicy. Oh my god, that's delicious.
Spicy?
A little bit. It's good, yeah. Woo, that's good. Yum. Beans, yum. I guess egg, we all know what egg tastes like.
Now we're off to find the Marina Bay Sands. Freshly squeezed orange juice. To a cup.
Can we get one? No, we shan't. We can't. All the free things to do in Singapore. We'll find it.
Number 1.
That's Cecil right there.
Second free thing to do in Singapore is sit on a seat. Not any seat, a very large seat.
Great, as ever. Look at this. Yep.
This is living. The full tourist experience.
Oh, that's right.
We are on the seat.
So this is your second free thing to do in Singapore?
The smaller versions. It legit is an Apple store.
Is it?
This is the freaking craziest Apple store. Wow.
What is going on in Singapore? It's not really dancing music, is it? It's just passion. It says, congratulations and best wishes on your opening.
Stop number 3 is on the free list, is to the gym.
The Active Garden.
Okay, next free thing on the list.
It is the Gardens of the Bay. These big tree things.
And there's the sands on the bay. Behind that.
Marina Bay Sands.
That's it. Heading to the train station.
MRT.
Mass Rapid Transport.
Is that what it stands for? My legs are tired, okay?
There's like 7 steps.
I've got to preserve all the energy that I have, okay? Oh, another free thing to do is walk around this shopping centre and just take it all in. It's really pretty. There's lots of lights. There's weird mannequins with eyes on them. There's a little, what was it, the Venice River?
What are they called?
Pushboat
things.
canal? Oh yeah, pushboat.
No, what are they called?
So it's obviously not free to go on one, but it's a little random tourist attraction. I don't know what side of the road people drive on. I think the left. One thing we've noticed that everyone walks by each other on the right. So for us from Australia, you automatically go to the left, but here you have to go to the right.
We've had a few run-ins. The awkward shuffle which way you're going. Very cool little part of Chinatown here.
Yeah, I was literally just about to say, this is really cool. Currently walking the streets and we're on the hunt for some food. It's Will's lunch, but it's...
Yeah, it's 3 o'clock. We went home for some water and got stuck in the aircon.
It's kind of dinner, it's kind of lunch.
Now we're back outside and it's raining, so it's pretty humid.
Three, 2, 1. Right, let's eat.
No. Yum.
Oh my god, yeah. Where's the pineapple? Oh, there. Yum. Alright, we're going for the... what's that?
Hor fan.
Hor fan. So good. This guy.
It tastes like pork. It's interesting for a vegetarian dish.
Ah.
Don't worry, everything vegetarian.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm selling the vegetarian food in Chinatown area 30 years.
Oh wow.
Wow, very nice. Thank you. Old Hill Street Police Station. It's a police station.
While we're out in the outer reaches of Chinatown, we thought we'd push a little bit further and go out to Fort Canning, which is where we are at the moment, walking to. It's really humid.
It's really humid.
Just finished raining and it's just got very, very sticky. All right, we'll show you the tunnel, Fort Canning Tunnel, when we get to it.
Another free thing to do in Singapore.
We found it. Cue to take a photo there. I'm not entirely sure what of.
I don't have time for that. But it does look cool actually.
Is that the tunnel? Is this the tunnel?
Yeah, that was
Or is
it.
that the tunnel?
That thing was it. Wait. Look, it does look cool. That's the screw. That one.
Right.
Very cool. We've been walking all day, so to get home, we're opting to catch the train. Here we go. That was so easy. No idea how much it costs. I assume between $1 and $2, but I think we'll find out later. Yeah.
Now, where are we now?
Where are we? For sure.
A few moments later.
So we're on our way now. We just caught a train to Bayfront, which is near the Marina Bay Sands, the big building with the pool on top. And we're going to try and go up and sit in the bar and have a drink so we can see the view. So fingers crossed they let us in.
spent the last 20 minutes trying to figure out how to get to these big trees, gardens in the bay.
There were signs and we tried to follow the signs. The signs sent us around the world. We finally found them because we wanted to watch the beautiful light show. We've seen them lit up.
But there are no lights on, and we saw so many people walking the opposite way. Good morning.
Good morning.
We just made it to Sentosa Island. Caught the monorail train thing, Sentosa Express, and going to check out some white sandy beaches.
Yes, apparently there are white sandy beaches here.
Like the elevators.
The elevator's stopping. Okay,
I guess we have to walk.
Means we have to go. Explore Sentosa. Alright, what have we got? Universal Studio. There's an aquarium here. Adventure water park. Nature discovery. Bungee jumping. So many things to do here. Let's go. So, we decided which adventure activity we're going to do today, and we picked the luge. But it's closed. And it doesn't open for another hour.
So we're going to go for a walk back down to the beach. We're going for a bushwalk now to get down there. And we just learned what Sentosa Island actually was. It was a military base for the British back in the 1800s. Once Singapore became independent, they turned it into a tourist island. And now that's what it is.
We were trying to find the beach and we went the wrong way, and now we're here. We're up on the top of a Fort Siloso skywalk, which is, I guess, part of the fort of Sentosa Island from what it used to be, but it's also a really cool view. Actually, another free thing to do is walk around this place, Siloso Fort on Sentosa Island. Free thing to do. How good. Also, there's a water fountain over there.
Where?
Better Rachel.
Oh yeah. Doing great. And that was the hill. Now we're on the beach of Sentosa. Very, very, very touristy here. Almost feels like you're on the set of Jurassic Park.
It's clearly like purpose built for tourists, which I guess we are. So here we are.
This water park looks cool though.
It's pretty. I'm excited to go for a swim.
It's a swim down at Halluin Beach. Now we're going to jump back on the train back into town, get some food, then we'll check out Litle India this afternoon. We've just watched 2 trains go by.
No, one.
Oh yeah, we just missed the first
Thank
one.
you.
And then we're just about to hop on the train to go to our destination. And last minute, what happened?
I thought we were getting on the wrong train.
So we didn't hop on the train, and then just as the doors closed,
It was the right train. That's right. It's only 3 minutes until the next one. So really, you know,
trust the guy.
growing patience here. Singapore has so many different areas. It's just so varied. Like I feel like you can't go to one spot in Singapore and call it Singapore.
Yeah.
If that makes sense. Like I feel like Litle India is so different to Chinatown, which is so different to Sentosa, which is so different to like the other like city area.
Multicultural city.
Yeah, very.
And it smells so good. What do we get?
It's a garlic naan, aloo gobi, mixed vegetables. Let's go. Oh, this is hot. green. I don't know what this is either. You gotta try some. It's really good. Cheers. Try some.
Hands down the best Indian food I've had, I reckon.
Now we're gonna try and make it to see the lights.
Oh yeah. It's an hour from the start. We should be enough. It's like a 20-minute, half an hour train drive.
I hope so. I do not want a repeat of last night.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Let's do it. The cloud forest. Well, you can see it from in the window. That's free. Alright, so we're currently in a new area. This is Kampong Glam. Walking down Haji Lane currently, which is a really pretty shops and pretty storefronts. It looks really nice. And then there's also a mosque that we're going to go look at as well.
Then we're checking out of our accommodation this morning,
Oh, that's
and then we're going to head to the airport.
You could literally spend hours walking around Kampong Glam. Like, it's every single street is so beautiful. Right, so the original mosque was built in the early 1800s, about 1820s. In 1920s, they realised it wasn't big enough, so they demolished it, they rebuilt this, and it was all by the donations of people in the town. People who couldn't give money gave bottles. So you can see there's a ring around the top there that's made out of bottles.
Come for a snack in the Kampong Glam area. We're sitting across the road from the mosque, and yeah, wanted to come see what the food was like. And we're getting something that we have no idea what it is, motorbike, and got a coffee just because, oh, why not? Oh, that is sweet. I can't even eat this.
Cheese, mushroom too.
It's gonna be too big for my mouth.
Okay. Cheese, mushroom.
Oh.
Chicken curry, dal curry, dal curry, chicken curry.
It's so good.
Go get that sauce. That's like a curry. Oh, it's spicy. And that just tastes like really soft, yummy, like naan bread. Oh my god. Our time in Singapore has come to an end. We are now on our way to the train station and making our way to the airport. It's been so cool. Loved it. Loved Singapore. You could definitely spend a couple of days here easily, and there's so many different things to see depending on what you want to do. But yeah, see you in the next one. Anything to add?
No. I'm lost for words.